From here, we use our spray. Spray is made from the lube. Directions are on the label. Use a few spoonfuls of lube, mix it with water, makes your spray. Makes removing the tire a lot easier. Just spray it from the tire and the wheel. Evenly coat it. To reinstall the tire, use our lube. Install the lube directly on the wheel in the drop center. All the way around. I like to put a little bit on this edge right here. And some on the back side of the tire. Inside the tire right here. Basically, as you're facing the tire, between 2 and 6. That's your high friction area. So here I'll push the tire on.